Hey everybody, this is Rob Harrell coming at you from MarineMax in Charleston, right off Daniel Island. Today we're going to go over one of my favorite new boats for 2021. This is the Dorado Sport 195. This boat is in midnight blue. It's got a stainless steel insert on the rub rail. This boat is powered by a Yamaha 150. We have the ski tow bar. We have a recessed ladder in the back for easy on and off the boat. This is a perfect crossover boat. It's a dual console. We have live wells underneath both port and starboard seats, rod holders, and a full beam seating when the motor is trimmed up, so you can sit comfortably in the back of the boat. It is a self-bailing boat. Water will drain out of the boat. We have rod holders, port and starboard on the boat, so you can store those when you're out for the day. Most of our captain's chairs are maneuverable, so you're going to find a comfortable position on that as well. This is equipped with the bimini top, so you can take it on or off, up or down. This Scout is equipped with a drive-by wire, so there's not going to be any throttles or pinching. It's going to be set exactly where you want it to be. We have Yamaha gauges. We have trim tabs on the boat. We also have a Fusion Bluetooth radio. This boat is also equipped with hydraulic steering, so it's going to make it really easy to steer. Your batteries are going to be right up here in this convenient location. This boat is set to hold 7 people. This is the perfect family getaway boat. There is so much storage on this boat. We have coolers on port and starboard that you can use for fish boxes or cold beverages for the day. There's also some really cool storage underneath the cushions under the seats. I've actually had the opportunity to take this boat out. It's very, very comfortable when you're sitting on it. We also have a super large fish box right up front. So you're not going to have spots where you're not going to have room to pack for the day. You have your anchor storage right up here. This is equipped with recessible cleats all the way around the boat. If you'd like to stop by and see this boat in person, we would love to have you. You can get on our website, or you can reach us at 843-747-1889. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.